Alright, if your laptop has decided that it's time to, mess up with you and just freeze at some point after a recent Windows update, there is a very easy way of fixing that. You go into the Windows settings, you go onto the update and security, then go into recovery, and then go back to the previous version of Windows 10. I don't have to provide a reason, but why not? Next. No thanks. I just want to go back. So, you lose any change you made to the settings and have to reinstall some apps and programs that have been installed in that period. But if you had a recent update that is messing up your system, then you probably have noted this quite soon. So next, you won't be able to sign in without it. Yeah, I got this. I haven't changed my password, but that's okay. If you have changed yours, just make sure you remember that. And go back to an earlier build. So I'll come back when this is done. Okay, so it just took a few minutes for me to do, and the system works. So the problem for me was just every time I tried to change whatever function I had here, it would just freeze up. Now it's just all good. It's all fine. So volume as well. Oh well, I use my gestures here to change the volume. If you haven't seen that video, just check it out. Now, to prevent your laptop from hassling you about updating continuously, you can go into the update area here, you go into the advanced options on the Windows Update bit, and then set a date from which you want the computer to now start updating again. I'll put mine on the 7th, and I'll see if at that point Microsoft has released a version that doesn't destroy my laptop. So yeah, I hope you find this useful. If you already knew, then you already knew. That's good for you. If not, then you know how to revert back now, which is good. Nice.